Hello guys and welcome. Please verify your age. Come on. Yeah, 1 through 12, yes. Boom. Choose your nickname. I'm gonna do
Bonnie.
Mr. Pig.
Oh,
Mr. Pig.
Ow. I stepped on an army man and it hurt.
I know.
Oh, shut up. Okay, there we go. Yes, this looks amazing. Is this live TV? Boy, this is amazing. Watching the World Championship? Yeah, bro. Why? Streaming to practice? Yeah. Since it's your birthday, I have a present for you. What?
Wait, how do they know it's your birthday?
I don't know. Here, dude, come play the game with me. So we're also joined by Sam's the Skeleton.
Yeah, me.
Okay, so why are you so sad? Aren't you happy to see your Uncle Tony?
Uncle Tony?
No, you've been in jail for like 4 years because you insulted your girlfriend. And Marcus. Why are you so sad? Aren't you happy to see your Uncle Tony? No. Sorry for being away all these years. In prison. But that happens when you only a lot of money to bad guys. Yep, gangster. Oh, dude, look at this. Sorry for being away all these years, but that's what happens when you owe a lot of money to bad guys.
Yeah, so he actually was in jail.
Yeah.
You just guessed.
Now let's open... Okay. Mr. Pig. Dad, what's
Wait a
this?
second.
I mean,
His
Uncle.
uncle is a raccoon.
I'm guessing we are raccoon. No, that's a cat.
Cat?
Yeah, it's a cat.
Oh, it looks like a raccoon because the tail.
Congratulations on your first fighting machine. Let's try the rocket.
That's
Okay.
for a fox.
Yeah. Ooh, this is amazing. Should I drag it?
Julian, is that a squirrel or a fox?
Okay, so what are you waiting for? Get in there. Oh, he's mean. Hey, look, dude, it's me! It's me! I'm a little cat. I should have been Mr. Cat than Mr. Pig. Remember, you don't control the machine. It fights automatically. Your job is the best machine out there. Come on, bro. Yes. Get messed up.
Get ready!
Yeah, you see my little face, but your machine won. You've been rewarded with your first simple box. Supplies box. It contains new parts that will help you to improve your machine. Take it. Okay, I got a box. Supplies box. Hey. Boom. Supplies box are sealed pretty well. It takes time to open them.
That'll take 2 hours?
But you can speed up the process with a good tools. This is on me. Hey! Ooh, chainsaw! Ooh! Ooh! Another rocket. Alright, cool prizes. And 200 monies.
Yes.
And don't forget to visit the garage and check out your new parts. I'm gonna edit. Yes. Yes.
Anyways, I may not be here for the next few seconds. I'm gonna be playing...
What?
Yeah, it's free.
Oh my
Because
god.
it was like downloaded online. Hey, dare you? Stop staring at me like that, Black Fishy.
So what is this? Okay, so let's get a chainsaw. Right here.
Oh.
What? Not enough power?
Stuff.
No! Yes, bro.
Oh, dang it. There we go.
Oh, this is cool. Before you
Blue.
go, I have a small gift for you. Take this sticker. It will make your fighting machine look special. Oh, so the sun or the
Sun or the
music?
clef? Sun or the treble clef? I'll go with the sun because the treble clef's gonna be hard to remember.
Boom. Oh, great. Can't wait to see you in battle.
Ah, she popped out of the car.
Boom.
That was cute.
Okay. Oh my god. No, I'm dead. No.
You won!
Yes! Oh, I thought I
There
was
was
gonna...
a sliver of health left.
Oh.
That was amazing.
Close too. Oh, do I really have to fight again? I did not mean to fight again. Okay, so let's see who's gonna win. Oh my god! Oh my god, no, he's drilling. Yes, no! No, he killed me! You.
You need to put a drill on that bad boy.
Yeah. Want to get on TV and fight in the finals? I entered you at the first stage of the championship. No, I need to edit this before I even... No! Dude! I needed to edit! You have to beat 23 stages in order to get to the finals. Are you kidding me? I'm sure you'll get there and will become a star, but let's go back to the first stage first. Yeah. Bye. That's you. You're in position. There are several ways to win. Let's try to win this. Do I have to? How am I supposed to win this? He has a chainsaw.
What?
Oh, never mind. This chainsaw doesn't hurt me. Use my big wheel.
Oh.
I toasted him. Oh, I'm dead. He has the lucky leprechaun. Oh my god, we have the same car. Oh, I did it. Look at him.
You're dead. You
I know.
gotta be dead.
No. What? I still can't even reach me. This guy's stupid.
You put the drill on the side.
You're an idiot. You have won 3 fights. You've been to the next stage. I don't want to fight anymore. I have to upgrade my machine. You're actually, I'm winning the first stage. Mr. Pig.
Fuck that.
You've unlocked more powerful parts. Pick one of the stickers. Oh, dude, look at stop sign. This is from another game, The Eyes. Pretty sure. I'm gonna do it. Eyes. Tattoo and everything. Ooh. 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 Boom. Fight prizes. I know you're to get back into the fights, but let's improve your machine first. Yeah, that's what I... Shut up. That's what I've been trying to go to do. Clean. Yeah, that's it. Right into there. Well done. Keep using.
Whoa. That looks cool.
Oh my god. I want my eyes.
You want your eye stickers. That's good.
Look at that.
That is good.
I think I'm gonna put a chainsaw in there instead. There.
I don't think the chainsaw can reach them.
I see you got a new super part. I know a guy who can turn any regular parts into a super part.
I'm
Oh,
picking
you
out.
make a bet.
I'm picking out.
Do I really have to bet? This is... Come on, fight. Who do you think who's gonna win? It's one of the players. The parts you bet. Try it. So I can bet?
Oh.
Ooh. What do you think who's gonna win, Dylan? 0 or Yee? Those players are going to him.
I would say Yi because he has more attack and 666 health.
Yeah. Bet on him.
Like, he's got to be using some.
Really, I had to bet on parts? This sucks. But I like betting, so.
I mean, he's got to be a good person to bet on because he's probably using, like, enchantments from the devil. Like, seriously. His health is at 666.
I'm gonna bet on that. Bet on that.
Ugh.
Bet on the sun. Come on! Bet on it! I'll bet on it. There. I can't bet toolboxes. Oh my god. This is getting so aggravating.
That's him.
Yeah. Stickers. Are you kidding me?
I would like the seat so I'm not like freaking standing.
There, I'm betting on it. Try the parts you want to be bet. There, try the pets. Yes. Oh my god, no. Let's just go to a quick fight. Let's fight someone with a new weapon. Ah, dude, I'm dead. Look at his car.
Oh, you. Margarita.
It's a chihuahua. No, not a chihuahua, it's a cat.
A margarita
Go.
is a drink.
Oh, what? My chainsaw messed him up.
I saw that.
What is it?
Boy,
All time.
that was amazing. 57, yay. Let's go to the championships. Hey, I went to the championships. No, what did I do? No. Okay, guys. I think that's all we have enough for to play this game. Well, say in the comments if you like this game. Well, bye.